Exercise is a great way any bass player can express him or herself on the bass guitar, and is also an ability to improve your speed, improve your flexibility and finger coordination on the bass guitar. One of the advantages any bass player can have is to have a great foundation of good exercise. So in this lesson, I'm going to share with you 5 good exercise every bass player can take advantage of. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced bass player, I believe there is 1 or 2 things you can pick in this lesson. So what you need to do right now is to stay with me to the end of this lesson. I'll be sharing them one after the other. So for the purpose of this lesson, we'll be using key C, and you can run this exercise either in your 4 strings, 5 strings, 6 strings, or any type of bass. So pick up your bass guitar, let's get started. At exercise number 1, this exercise will help your finger coordination, speed, etc. So let's increase the speed. Let's build speed. Alright, try to run this exercise across your fingerboards, and you will experience increased flexibility within your fingers, and you will experience tremendous growth. Our exercise number 2, you will surely love this. Increase speed. Speed. Alright, on our exercise number 3, I advise you not to play with this exercise, and more especially the next exercise that will follow this. Increase speed. Speed. At exercise number 4, I learned this from Jaco Pastorius. It's a very great exercise, and I recommend you to run this exercise always across your fingerboards, and you will experience growth with your bass career. Alright, looking at our final exercise, I advise you to always create at least 30 minutes every day to practice this exercise. And if you practice this exercise, let me know at the comment section your amazing feedback. Okay? 1 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 4